Welcome back, children. Hope you all are enjoying science. Let us continue our lesson number 2, that is digestion and role of microbes. In our first tutorial, we had discussed about the teeth, functions of teeth, two sets of teeth that we are having during our lifetime, that is milk teeth or temporary teeth and permanent teeth. We also discussed the comparison between two. In addition to that, we also had discussed about the different types of human teeth that are present in our mouth. Children, you are about the age of 11 or 12. So, almost 28 teeth are there or about to be there in your mouth. Only 4 wisdom teeth they are left that will grow in your later age. Another 4 type of teeth are incisors, the middle 4 teeth on both upper and lower jaw, canines on the both side of incisors, then premolars, and at the end we are having molars. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about the structure of a tooth. But before that, let us discuss about the long teeth or tusk of the elephant. Children, do you know which part of an elephant's body is modified as its tusks? It is nothing but they are the second incisors of the elephant that are modified into huge tusks. These tusks serve a variety of purpose. They help the elephant in digging, in lifting objects, gathering food, stripping bark from the trees, and also for protection. Students, at this age, you might be suffering from teeth fall. If your teeth falls off, then what happens? A new teeth comes to take its place? Yes, but do you know the teeth of the shark grow in rows? If the front row teeth wear down and fall off, new teeth, new row of teeth comes forward to take its place. Sharks don't actually regrow the teeth one by one, but having multiple rows inside their jaws that constantly regrown. Isn't it strange? Children, now let us discuss the parts of a tooth. When we pull out a tooth and observe it from inside, what will we observe? Let us discuss it. Children, this is the structure of tooth that we can see if we observe it from inside. Our tooth consists of two main parts, that is crown and root. Crown is the upper part of the tooth that we can see, and root is a part that is inside the gums. The most outer layer is of white color that we can see is called the enamel. Children, do you know this is the outermost layer of our tooth, and it is the hardest part of our body also. What is its main function? Its main function is to protect the inner soft parts of the tooth. Like you can see here, Inside the enamel, there are the parts like dentine, pulp, etc., which are protected inside this enamel. Inside the enamel, there lies another layer which is called as dentine. Dentine is less harder than enamel. It forms the outer covering of the inner layer, that is pulp. Inside the dentine, there is a most sensitive part of the tooth, and that is called as pulp. Children, as you can see here in this diagram, the pulp contains a number of lines of red, blue, white color. What these lines indicate? These lines indicate that inside the pulp there are blood vessels that supply nutrition to the tooth. Means your teeth also needs nutrition that you get from food, and that is supplied to them by your blood. And secondly, other lines that are in white color here, they indicate the network of nerves. These nerves helps in feeling pain. They help in feeling heat, cold. Children, sometimes when you eat ice cream, your tooth starts shivering because of cold. This sensation of cold is felt by the tooth by the help of these nerves that are present inside the pulp. Some teeth have one or two roots only, but your molars can have even up to 4 roots. Children, do you know which are the important minerals for maintaining our healthy teeth? That is calcium and phosphorus. These are the minerals that are very important, that helps to maintain our teeth healthy and strong. And for that, which food items should we eat? Should we eat lot of chocolates, burger, pizza and junk food like items? No, because these items are rich in sugars that can spoil our teeth. We must eat food sources like milk, green leafy vegetables, meat, etc. to take care of our teeth. In our further tutorials, we will discuss more how can we take care of our teeth. So, children, hope you understood the structure of tooth. I will repeat it once. Structure of tooth contains two main parts. The part of the teeth that is visible above the gums is called crown, and the part below it is called root. Outermost layer of the tooth is white in color and is called enamel. It is the hardest part of the tooth. Inside the enamel, another layer, dentine, is there, which is less hard than enamel. Inside the enamel, pulp is there, which is the most sensitive part of the tooth, and this pulp contains a network of nerves which gives us the sensation of pain, heat, cold, etc. Also, pulp contains blood vessels that supply nutrition to the tooth. Children, hope you understood about the structure of the tooth. In our next tutorial, we will discuss about the ways how we can take care of our tooth, which you can also do by yourself. Till the next tutorial, revise it and find out the ways how can you take care of your tooth. Thank you.